Hello viewers, welcome back to Homex Battery Solutions, and whoever who haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get the videos when I upload. So in the most cases, uh, for most people may think that a battery like this cannot be repaired and again works properly at home. This video will show you how to restore a short circuit battery. Kindly subscribe and get the full videos of my lectures as we proceed. As we are seeing in this video, this battery has got a short circuit, and we are trying to remove the top, and we are going to put another one. So follow it, and don't forget to share my videos. So a battery like this, in most cases the short circuit battery is due to poor wiring connection, or maybe poor terminal connection. So we also have our Facebook page, that is Homex Battery Solutions. You can follow us on Facebook at Homex Battery Solutions, and there are also our lectures. So